pray. We're going to do 2 songs of worship, which Claire has picked out. And then we'll hear the 3 testimonies. We'll leave the floor open in case it's on anyone else's heart. And then we'll get in the water. Yay! Yeah. I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Oh, I got nothing. How could I could sing this song as I often do, but every song
As good as being ranked 24th in the country is, this is even better, right?